Do you have a budget? A budget helps you understand your spending habits, thereby reducing your overspending and also help you save money. It's easy to build a budget. You can use a simple tool such as an Excel file, or you can use an online tool or an app on your phone to make your budget. I use Mint by Intuit to build my budget. There are three categories of budgets. You have your fixed budget that includes your rent. It includes your utilities such as your phone bill or your internet bills, and also includes your mortgage if you have a house. Then you have your variable spendings or your variable expenses such as your groceries that changes with time. And then you have your less frequent expenses. This includes your driver's license and your immatriculation. It is recommended to save at least 10 to 20% of your money. If you subtract your spending from your revenue and you have a deficit, then you have to make adjustment into your budget. The easiest way to make adjustment into this budget is to subtract from your variable spending. This includes spendings like clothing, so buying less shoes. You can also change your brand simply. So you can buy a cheaper brand which makes similar products. And if you do have a surplus after extracting your spending from your revenue, then it's a nice thing to invest in an emergency fund. And why not also invest in the stock market? The stock market has proven to be quite interesting, giving good returns over time. So it's important for you to put your money in the right place. Thanks again for watching my videos. My name is Wilfred Kamga. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel down below. And don't forget to also follow me on the other platforms such as Facebook or Instagram. So see you next time and hope you enjoy the video.